Quality electric car wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding wheel hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any electric car wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric electric car wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fit perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the electric car weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality electric car wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many electric car wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum electric car wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric electric car wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the electric car wheel spacers and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS forged electric car wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the electric car wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged after-cooled electric car wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.